Hello, welcome to ASA Tricks and Techniques class. Myself, Arvind Singh, and today I'm going to discuss one more trick as usual. So, without wasting time, let me start with the question. One question which has been asked earlier by SSC, and the question is the simplification of 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 square plus 1 by 8 to the power 3 plus 1 by 8 to the power 4 plus 1 upon 8 to the power 5 up to 3 place of decimals. 3 place of decimal age. Options are given. First option is 0.143. Second option is 0.163. Third option is 0.215 and fourth option is 0.715. Like this is a question which is given and asked by SSC in some exam. I would like to deal with this what to do and why to do. The question can be solved in two ways. Either first of all we should go for taking two of the digits only into consideration, because 1 upon this 8q is 512 and 1 upon 512 will give 0.00 something, right now, because unless it is going to be 1000, if you put here, try to understand this, here you can write it, this is 12.5 1.25, right now. This can be written as 1 upon 8, that is 0.125. The 3 place of decimals is like this, right? If you divide by 8 square 64, then something will come. But if you divide it, this is 1 upon 64. If you put 0.0 will come, right now. So only second and third place will make the difference, and that will be also a 100. If I put 1 point decimal point, then 10 will be there. If we put 10, then 100 will be there. Then this will be 0.01 and something will come. So here this is something which will come, like if I put decimal, then this will be 10, which will be not divisible by 512. If I put 10, then this will be 100, which will be still not divisible. So if I put one more 0, then this will be 1000, and 1000 divided by 512 is also 0.1. So if you are going to make it, and the addition of these three will be taken into consideration, so obviously this is first option is most appropriate, because it cannot be the third place digit. Second place digit would be 3 plus 1 something, 4 will be maximum, and 5 plus 1. So 4 can be maximum at this 3 place. So we can easily reject all of these options, without doing anything, and we can answer the question first. Okay, so I hope you got it and you will be able to write the answer of such question. So thank you very much. Keep watching and subscribe our channel on YouTube, so that you will be able to get it regular tricks and techniques.